Yeah, from president so, education for so, education ministers so, education for. Obia was Shabuya Galamsey Bia, no say issue, and say forest, you know. Say your mum pad as a year, no, a momusu digeda. Your mother, Momanum, Amamato.
Say, oh, a quantum, oh, a broochery, na opese o sendi sika ko momo number so ewo Ghana, and I say opese o sendi sika eko bank account bi so ewo Ghana. Therefore, my main come for Lemfi amount. The entire make come for Lemfi amount nyina ne say, oh pay money transfer, or more exchange rate e was stroke kese pa e Lemfi. Now I need you some crack kese and say we Europe. Now we have first transfer with 50 euros amount 20 euros cashback. And our UK, now your first £50 transfer, amount £10 cashback. Or Canada, any Americans now you have $100 first transfer, amount $20 cashback. Nemum answer na benya cashback no. Mema rain fi say ube use Bonah BONAH as the referral code. Eja. Hey, Ghana. Me therefore me no ka say me hu video bi ama wo se gume. Ama me se afim. Me se me hu video bi on ama me ye mahye me. Eye yenua Okatakyie Afrifa. Waba bonti abeka nsem bi na me therefore nsem na Okatakyie eka no. Ebro ma adwene me nti ase so because Ghana ansa no bi benya oman ne ho do na nipa kro kasemu no obete se ade na oye no even se mubeku na munkunu na emo ade ne de obeye ansa na be hu so obi ekasa with this passion with this energy no me therefore na che se sabi force anase sunsuma a tiny panetia o piano se onye sa de kro no na emodu me ne oka say enedua yi no mo starte stop Galamsey demonstration no e wa Accra me therefore esewani nipa pie ne ekotie mugu aban ne so se sabi Galamsey fo no say oman no say Ghana dachi no enya asem ketwa na nipa na odimu tintimai pa kese eye Okatakyie Afrifa me therefore ene anwumre video eba ye no ye hu se Okatakyie ekuta snap mienu na ogunsa na ofre na nanom so momra na babia Ghana ekono Ghana ni dachi biem na ne kasemu no na opa chese babia ni o makeka kono ye ntimi nyusu book sem kra anu nti o se na nanom sorry me therefore Okatakyie gunsa de kosua bofom kansem se panyi bia o hyase bia o tu Galamsey o Ghana de se onyamu sika one na sefo nso de se bi nananom ene ni kakum me therefore ye gine kwakwa num me pese me family bebre ye monra Accra sesia na yenko demonstration site won yenko hwe edioma bedefo ekoso ene kwan a Okatakyie Afrifa fa so gunsa ekantam ekansem kese egu Ghana for mpanimfo asabi bi omu de sikani brenti no omu de Galamsey essay oman no se wa America na opese wo ship nioma free Washington DC Maryland and Virginia odiane Box Oak Logistics omu ye door to door shipping company me therefore free Box Oak sesia o fro ma woni mra won so no mu gina waboboa no o ma be box nioma ne kama na omu de akọ Ghana asumdwe mama omo so eniji semba akọ e kan ne se o fro ma ka krom se enam TheBonahShow so na o te omu nka omo so mprempren na omo bechew 10% discount nia e chat woni se o kọ Ghana akodi udwuma bia na sabi udru Ghana be Kumase na udru Kumase obepe ba bia dam asomadwo obepe ba bia e 100% security e 100% CCTV cameras air condition chese ope ba bia dam asomadwo wa obe sorry with my ye waduane live to say there sabi uti ufie papa bi ma fre Pcash Properties and I say call www.pcashproperties.com.
Yeah, from president so, education for so, education ministers so, education for. Obia was Shabuya Galamsey Bia, no say issue, and say forest, you know. Say your mum pad as a year, no, a momusu digeda. Your mother, Momanum, Amamato. They came home with him, Ubekumi and Mukume. And you must some there, and you must some killer. And I know Mum come from one from one to so.
kwaso. Yeah. Why no kwaso? Yeah. Why no kwaso? Why no kwaso?
We cannot use ordinary measures and usual measures to fight extraordinary situations. And you cannot continue to be doing the same thing over and over and expect different results. Whatever this government promises us, he must deliver, because it's part of the social contract between us and them. Whenever we go to the polls, we don't go to the polls just to elect people to become demigods over us. Then the people ask, for the past 8 years, where were you? Yes. They have selective hearing, they have selective amnesia, they have selective seeing. They choose to see what they want to see. They choose to hear what they want to hear. And they choose to do what they want to do. We are not perturbed. And no amount of insult, no amount of intimidation will stop some of us from fighting for a cause that we believe in. By lying about state of emergency, clearly it shows that they do not have the political will to be able to do what they said they would do when they were in the opposition. So we, the citizenry, we do not have the luxury of time to be able to wait for them to use 10 years, 20 years to deal with the issue. It does not take 1 year to use executive order to declare state of emergency all illegal mining activities. It certainly does not. So that cannot be the preface or the premise on which we are going to have this conversation. You are presenting a petition to the GP House. Yes. Now when we go to the GP House, you surely will know what is happening. But we have actually spoken about it in the media. Our request is very clear. The president then in opposition told the people that the good father should declare state of emergency. We are asking you, Your Excellency, why have you not declared the state of emergency? The president, through his minister, current minister of Lands and Natural Resources, told us that when they come in, they are going to repeal the LI 2462. As it stands now, the position of the government has shifted from repeal to amendment. We are saying that that is not a contractual agreement between us and them. The social contract between us and them is very clear. You told us that you are going to repeal the LI 2462, and that's exactly what we expect from them, nothing more, nothing less. They told us that it is discriminatory for President Akufo-Addo to arrest Aisha One and deport her instead of putting her before the law and facing the full rigors of the law. Not only have they come in and deport only one person, but now it has become their foreign policy that any citizen and non-citizen who destroys our water bodies, who destroys our forests, when we arrest them, we will not put them before the law courts for them to face the full rigors of the law, but they are going to deport the person to their home countries for them to go and enjoy clean water with their wives and kids. That law, that policy is discriminatory, which is against Article 17 of the 1992 Constitution, which clearly states that there shall not be any law, any act, which shall discriminate on grounds of gender, creed, or race. How can we live in our own country when we, the citizens, we are caught for the activities of GALAMSEY? We will be put before the court and be jailed for 20 years and over. But when a non-citizen, who is supposed to be punished to deter others, do cross the same atrocities, we say that we are going to say, put them on the place, say bye-bye, go and join themselves with the kind of ill-gotten money that you had from us. That cannot be law. And we are speaking against it, so they should reverse that policy as it stands now. Period. hwɛ